Phuket has long been one of Southeast Asia's most sought-after destinations, drawing millions of travelers every year with its turquoise waters, dramatic limestone cliffs, and vibrant nightlife. But beyond the family beach holidays and backpacker trails lies a quieter, more refined side of this Thai island, one designed exclusively for adults seeking peace, privacy, and pure indulgence. Adult-only resorts in Phuket have carved out a niche that blends luxury with serenity, offering an experience that feels worlds apart from the crowded beaches and busy streets. Whether you are celebrating a honeymoon, a milestone anniversary, or simply craving a getaway where you can truly unwind, these resorts deliver an atmosphere that is both sophisticated and deeply relaxing. The difference between a standard resort and an adult-only property goes far beyond the absence of children. These spaces are intentionally designed to cultivate a certain mood, one of calm, romance, and unhurried luxury. Pool areas are quieter, restaurants operate at a more intimate pace, and the overall ambiance leans toward elegance rather than entertainment. Staff at these resorts are trained to anticipate the needs of couples and solo travelers who prioritize comfort and discretion. Many properties also offer curated experiences such as private beach dinners, couples spa rituals, and sunset cocktail sessions that simply would not be possible in a more family-oriented setting. The attention to detail is what makes these stays genuinely memorable. Among the standout properties on the island, the Parisa Resort in Kamala stands out as a breathtaking clifftop retreat with panoramic views of the Andaman Sea. Its infinity pools seem to melt into the horizon, and the villas are designed with an open-air philosophy that brings the natural beauty of Phuket directly into your living space. Another highly regarded option is the Kimala Resort in Kamala, which offers extraordinary treehouse and cocoon-style villas nestled within lush tropical gardens. The resort draws on Thai mythology and nature-inspired design to create an environment that feels genuinely otherworldly. For those who prefer a beachfront location, the shore at Katathani in Kata Noi Beach provides direct access to one of Phuket's most pristine stretches of sand, combined with elegant pool suites and world-class dining. One of the defining features of adult-only resorts in Phuket is the quality and depth of their wellness offerings. Spa treatments here draw from ancient Thai healing traditions, incorporating herbal compresses, aromatic oils, and techniques passed down through generations. Many resorts offer full-day wellness journeys that include yoga sessions at sunrise, guided meditation, detox cuisine, and multi-hour spa rituals. The Kimala Resort, for instance, houses the Mala Spa, which is consistently ranked among the finest wellness destinations in all of Asia. These experiences are not simply add-ons, they are central to the identity of these properties and reflect a genuine commitment to holistic rejuvenation. Food at adult-only resorts in Phuket is treated as an art form. Chefs at these properties often blend traditional Thai flavors with contemporary international techniques, resulting in menus that are both adventurous and deeply satisfying. Private dining on your villa terrace, candlelit dinners on the beach, and chef's table experiences are all commonly available. The emphasis is always on personalization. Dietary preferences are noted, wine pairings are thoughtfully curated, and the pace of each meal is dictated entirely by the guest. This level of culinary attention transforms every meal into an occasion worth savoring. The best time to visit Phuket for an adult-only resort experience is between November and April, when the weather is dry, the skies are clear, and the sea is calm enough for swimming and water activities. Booking well in advance is strongly recommended, particularly for peak season dates and special occasions. Many resorts offer honeymoon and anniversary packages that include room upgrades, floral decorations, and complimentary experiences. It is also worth reaching out directly to the resort before arrival to communicate any special requests, as these properties pride themselves on delivering personalized service that begins long before you check in.